Oh, hi everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing iPhone 12 Pro in silver color. The memory of this phone is 512 gig. Let's open up. Nice slim box. Nice. Well, the silver color only goes around the edges, but itself phone is just white. So that's what we have. Obviously, like everybody knows, like you get fingerprints straight away on that. Nice brush, stainless steel edge. And what you get in box? Not much. Get a lightning cable, charging cable. So, and stickers and a pin to open the SIM card tray. Yeah, stickers. Actually one sticker. And I don't know, some piece of paper. Right here, got next to me on my left, camera lens protection. So it's good just to put on top of that, and gives extra protection, because you see that part is going to be in case widely open, so there's a big chance you can damage or scratch it. Got here a screen protector and just a basic clear case. Just for now. Got another one, a bookcase, but for now we're gonna use this one. Be much easier to use this. The reason why I got clear case, so you can see the color. Nice snug. And let's go peel that screen off. Here we go. So I think before we start doing something with this phone and touching the screen, I think we should put some screen protector. Let's see what we've got here. Rubbish taken away. I can get them on eBay just for a few quid, 198 or something like that. They're not really expensive. So let's clean that screen. So touch it a little bit. Okay, get a wet wipe. This wet wipe. Number one. Check the screen. Make sure it's clean. Now put screen protector. Okay, so we've done that screen. Let's check lens screen protection. What does it look like? If you can see, is lens protection. So what we want to do is just clean the lens as well. And we're gonna stick that protection on the looks clean. Right. I think we got it right. Yeah. So that's all protection. Now we can put the case back on. So all is nice and protected. So it does stick up a little bit, but not much. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Turn it on. This new phone. Got the light reflection bit. Here you go. Right, so we're gonna transfer now from old phone, this is old phone, to new phone data. So the thing just pops up like that. We just press continue, and you just scan this cloud or whatever. Interesting stuff. That's it. Make sure all your Wi-Fi is connected, so just type in the password of this phone. Right, set up later, Face ID. And now you just, okay, transfer data from Motorola phone, yes, continue. So that's gonna should transfer everything, all my apps, messages, emails, and photos. I'm setting up. So this is the easiest way if you don't have the MacBook. So just put this thing here and let it do the job. Right, so just complete transfer completed. The data has been transferred to your other iPhone. Continue. So that's it. So this is what's happening with this phone. Should come up as this one. All this menu, all these apps. This is the final transformation of data to new phone. So it takes about roughly 20-25 minutes to transfer all. Don't know how long it's gonna take this final step to complete, but we'll see. Let's wait a bit more. Right, so loading completed. Restore completed. Continue. Terms and conditions. Agree. Apple Pay later on if we need it. Improve Siri, not now. Welcome to iPhone. Here we go. Lovely, finally. So this is my home screen. Let's see, is it the same? Here we go. The same, exactly the same. Right, I'm gonna unlock this. Here we go. Not now. Right. Now it just finishes to download the apps where I had on this one. So lovely. Transformation completed. So here we go, guys. Thanks very much for watching my videos, and please don't forget to press like if you can, notification button, and subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Thank you.